Okay, we're at data table 2. This is part, I guess it's part 6. Plot the, no. This is part 7. Plot VS versus IS for the unknown resistance. So now we're doing it with an unknown. Oh, it's actually part 5. Repeat procedure 3 for the unknown resistance. So now notice I've got the labels hidden. I do know that this is 50 ohms, and we'll see the current. So we're going to go down in since they give you 7 entries, instead of 10 volt increments, we're going to decrease by 5 volt increments. 5 ohm increments. I misspoke. We're going to, instead of 10 ohm decrements, I should say, because we were going down, we're going to do it in 5 ohm. Okay, let's flip the switch. And at 50 on the rheostat, we've got 6.21 and 0.28 amps, 6.21 volts and 0.28 amps, 280 milliamps. Let's do 45. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 45. At 45, we've got 6.67 and 0.30. Let's go down to 40. And we've got 7.20 volts and 0.32 amps. Let's go down to 35. Exactly 7.83 and 0.35 amps, 350 milliamps. Let's go down to 30. 1, 2, 3. And there we are, 30. That's 8.57 volts and 0.38 amps, 380 milliamps. Let's go down to 25. 9.47 volts and 0.442 amps, 420 milliamps. And what am I doing? 20. Let's go down to 20, and that's 10.59 volts and 0.47 amps. Okay, so that's the unknown resistor. So now you plot voltage on the vertical axis and current on the horizontal axis, and you should do the slope of the line, and the slope of the line will equal your resistance. It's an unknown resistance. So that's all.